Okay, go back to sleep. Just go back to sleep. Hello! I should probably start this video with a lot more energy, but honestly, this... Oof. Okay. So basically, I got up early today and I quickly went to the thrift store because I'm trying to slowly start and find different gifts that I can give. And of course, I'm not gonna buy new stuff for anyone. You're all getting secondhand stuff from me. I'm not really looking for clothes, mainly accessories make nicer gifts if they're in great condition. So yeah, I go to the thrift store and I get my period at the thrift store. And I am just in so much pain. I want to pay for everything as fast as I can, get the fuck out of there, come back home and take pain meds because I unfortunately can't go through my period without taking pain medication at this point. Great, I love it. Gigi, don't lick my face. Let me just sit here in pain. This pain is too much, it's too much, man. For you guys, I am gonna get out of bed right now. As much as I wanna just die. All I wanna do is just die right now. But I'm gonna get out of bed and show you some amazing things. Check out my new secondhand dresser. I had a drawer unit that was vintage and it had to be restored because it didn't smell good, it was in terrible condition. But I just didn't have the patience to restore it, so I took it over to my mom's. And I went and thrifted, I guess. Yeah, I guess you can use that word for furniture. We have a new plant over there. I should post it on Instagram so you guys can give it a name. I do not like your pot. I'm gonna have to thrift a new, prettier pot, or maybe spray paint this or something. I don't know. But you're cute. You're so cute. Oh, but there's more because I started the festive decorating in my living room. That is an old bottle that I had at my mom's place and I brought it with me, an old jar, and I filled them up with flowers from my mom's garden. I also cut some branches from just a random bush on the street. It's so cute, right? I also brought a disco ball. And wow, look at that. Look at all those grains. We have another new member in the family. This plant, which I'm not sure what it is, and hopefully it's gonna survive because it's a very, very young. And then these are just branches that my mom cut off from some of her plants, and I'm just trying to keep them alive as long as possible over here. What is that? Ivy. Also, look at Henry. He's doing so well, Henry boy. And we have another one, another avocado sprouting, and his name is obviously Mayo. Also, I have a few more that are, ooh, look at that. I am the avocado whisperer. Titi, come here. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? So I'm just gonna cover my face as much as I can because I'm gonna edit this video and I have to look at a very ugly face for a very long time and I don't want to do it. So I'm just gonna be like, hey, good morning. It's Friday today. We've skipped a few days in this vlog Christmas episode, but I got pretty sick and I had a fever. Thankfully, I am okay. Yesterday I worked all day, so I didn't really have time to film. But today I am gonna be a woman that can do everything. This is like literally me every day. I can do everything. No, I can't. All right, let's get rid of this peasant looking braid. Officially, welcome to Friday. A few things that I want to say that I have not said yet is a huge welcome to everyone that's new to my channel. Apparently YouTube doesn't hate me anymore and actually promoted some of my videos that are completely irrelevant to what my channel is about. So my video about living in Greece did really well, and anyone that did subscribe from that video, thank you. And a lot of you have been binge watching my videos, which I appreciate very much. So yeah, huge welcome. Thank you. stick around as much as you can until, you know, about half a year goes by and you get bored of me and unsubscribe. A few other things I wanted to say is that I made like a little artsy video about my trip to the UK, but I didn't talk about it, so let's talk about it even though nobody asked. So I really loved Scotland. I mean, all I saw was Edinburgh, so no, wait, Edinburgh. But Edinburgh was beautiful. London, to all my Londoners, I am so sorry, but it's not my type of city. It's very, very fast and very expensive. Yeah, public transportation is so expensive. Food, similar prices with Greece, which goes to show how expensive food is in Greece. But damn, you guys in the UK have so many vegan options. What the hell? You have like vegan chicken and vegan fish sticks and sausages, and all of that is available at your normal supermarket, and it's so damn cheap. Okay, so time to spill some tea, but me and my boyfriend, every night when we would go back to the hotel or our Airbnb, we would just, sometimes, not every night, but we would grab like a tub of vegan Halo Top, the peanut butter one. And we would watch BoJack Horseman and like eat ice cream. It was kind of the best part of my day. It was so good. Like, but the problem is, because I do have a slight sensitivity to gluten and to just so many fucking things, and to soy, my face did flare up quite a bit. Thankfully, it's a lot better now, but ooh, you can see it's kind of nasty there. But yeah, my skin had a really bad reaction. My digestive system had a really bad reaction of 1 week of eating bread and seitan and tofu and just kind of fried stuff. My stomach did not like it at all. So since I came back from the trip, I've been recovering physically from it, because it was a lot. We would also walk like 20 kilometers every day just to see stuff. But it was a really fun trip, and I had the best time with my boyfriend. Oh, she's here. She's here. Oh, look at this baby. Look at this little chubby puppy. So I am now dressed in thrifted clothes from head to toe, with the exception of these pants that are just old. And realized I dressed myself to look like a man. I look like a man with nice hair. That's not really the look that I usually want to go for, but that's okay. I found this beanie abandoned in the forest where my parents' house is, so I took it and I washed it, and here it is. The forest gives. It gives food, it gives fruit, it gives wood, it gives beanies. Yeah, I'm heading to the post office, then doing some grocery shopping, and yeah, there's my outfit. I like myself when I dress like a boy, because you look good and you're also attracted to yourself, because you're like, ooh, who's that good looking man with the good hair? I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay. It is Saturday today, and I was planning on vlogging, but I didn't. I went out in the center of Athens, and thanks, JJ. Thanks for making all that noise now that I'm talking. I love that there's just a tail sticking out. Yeah, I went to the center of Athens to hang out with friends, and we went to eat and that kind of thing, and I was planning on vlogging, but then I was like, you know what, I just want to live in this moment and just talk with my friends and catch up, because I hadn't seen them in a really long time. But I'm vlogging now because I just want to show you what I'm wearing today, because I really like this outfit. I kind of look like a schmexy college teacher or something. I don't know, but I don't know, I feel like it looks kind of nice. And I haven't worn a maxi skirt ever in my life out, and it's not that comfortable. I don't know. Oh, Gigi,
wasn't like that comfortable when I'm walking. It's like flapping all over the place, but I did feel very nice in this outfit. Let me see if I can get any light here. And this is vintage, and this is vintage. This was my mom's, this was my sister's. I thrifted this. I thrifted the scarf, and then the boots are old. I thrifted the yoga pants I'm wearing underneath, like leggings, not yoga pants. I don't know what I'm saying now. Hey, Gigi. Come here, baby. Come here. Thank you so much for tuning in to my first episode of Kristmas. Vlogmas with Kristmas. Vlogmas with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The next ones are gonna get a lot better because next week I'm gonna start the whole gift searching and wrapping with zero waste ideas and vegan ideas and all that fun stuff that's gonna happen next week. This week was just an amuse bouche for y'all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.